Hi, Jason here from WA Building Movers. Today we're talking about moving a house, and it's a topic that comes up a lot. People would like to move a house, and when moving a house, there's lots of things that you need to consider. Of course, the first thing that comes to mind is price. And yes, moving a structure can be expensive, but what you need to do is weigh your cost, and what you're going to do is weigh your cost between actually saving that house, being able to reuse that house, putting on a new location with putting in a new foundation and running new utilities to that site, compared to actually constructing an entire new house. And with that, you can start weighing a cost for cost basis. Now, a cost can range dramatically for moving a house. There's many different things, from size of structure, type of structure, logistics of the move. Are we moving on an incline? Do we have to move on a busy road? Are we having to go over road conditions or field conditions that are unstable that will require some other form of matting to be able to make the move? Is the structure made of brick or block or a terracotta structure? Is the structure a historic structure that may have some framing complexities that make it something that can be a more intrinsic move? All of these are parts that are going to weigh into the cost. Now, in terms of moving a structure, when moving a structure, you want to assess: is there overhead wires? Are there trees? Are there bridges or underpasses that you need to go back that are going to prevent this move from being able to take place? And lastly, you want to take place in terms of utilities. Where you're going to move this structure to, are there going to be utilities readily available that you can create a hookup for? A lot of these things are going to weigh heavily into your thought process on being able to create this move. And any other questions you have, feel free to reach out to us at info@wabuildingmovers.com. Again, this is Jason from WA Building Movers. You can check out a ton of videos at youtube.com/WA Building Movers. Thank you.